Are you ready for hurricane season? Well, here are the top 3 ways to prepare for a hurricane. One, stock up on essentials. Make sure you've got all the important stuff you'll need during a hurricane. That means getting enough non-perishable food, water, batteries, and flashlights to last a few days. Don't forget about any necessary medications, pet supplies, and baby items if you have little ones. It's better to be over-prepared than under-prepared, so grab some extra supplies if you can. 2. Have a solid plan. Figure out what you and your family will do in case of a hurricane. Know your evacuation routes and decide where you'll go if you need to leave your home. Stay updated with local news and follow the advice of authorities. Make sure everyone knows the plan, including where to meet up if you get separated. Being organized and having a clear plan can help reduce stress and keep everyone safe. 3. Protect your property. Take some time to secure your home and belongings. Trim any trees or branches that could potentially fall and cause damage during strong winds. Clear out your gutters and drains to prevent flooding. Consider investing in storm shutters or boarding up windows if necessary. And don't forget to review your insurance coverage to ensure it's adequate for hurricane-related damage. Taking these steps can minimize potential damage to your property and give you peace of mind. Remember, hurricane season can be unpredictable, so it's crucial to stay informed, prepared, and prioritize the safety of yourself and your loved ones.